Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a part 10. This lecture is very important, and this lecture is a valve cover design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here, and this is a valve cover design, and valve cover design is very important. And this cover is this cover is a back side, and this cover is this and also all dimension in millimeter, and also this is isometric view, and also 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen. And this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. All dimension you can see here easily and clearly. And this all dimension is a help of all this body is design. And this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is a separate one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, this body is design, and this body is a valve cover design, and how to this body is easily and clearly is a drawing here. And today discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also professional student is also better, and all is looking perfect. And both side is you can see here on the screen. This is a very nice looking here, and the material is a brush. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. Let's start here this body is design. At first some setting is very important. First is this use a plain white and this going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and at first select right plane is better, and right plane all dimension you can see here on the screen. And this a simple geometry is drawing here, and a big diameter radius is a 138 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and this radius is 81 millimeter distance, and this is a 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this distance is 47 millimeter, and this is a length is a 22 millimeter, and this is 6 millimeter is this, and 6 millimeter is this, and 14 millimeter is this, and this is distance is a 48 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 60 degree angle. Okay, at first select a right plane. At first drawing a 2 reference line, because this reference line is very useful. Okay, and select again a reference line. This is a horizontal, and this is a horizontal line, and this is a vertical line. 2 reference line is drawing here, and click a line and draw a simple geometry is drawing here, because this geometry is a very useful this body is design. Okay, and this is a perfect, and okay, and this is a simple. Okay, this is a simple geometry is a drawing here. This curve is a drawing here, this not any relation. Okay, this is a perfect this drawing here. Okay, and any this line is a this this is a okay, and this to connect to this. Okay, this is a simple geometry drawing here, and mention all dimension. At first drawing this point, and this line is a drawing here, a distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and again select this point. Okay, and use this point, and this distance is a 35 millimeter. Okay, okay, and use a select this point, and this distance is a 88 millimeter. Okay, and select this line, and this is a 138 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 22 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and select this. Okay, and this distance is a 6 millimeter, and again select this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And this distance is a 14 millimeter, this is a 47 millimeter, is perfect. And select this point, and this line is a distance is a, this distance is a 47. Okay, okay, and all is a perfect and correct. Okay, and select this point, and this distance is a 81 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this is a distance is a 28 millimeter, this, and perfect. And this distance is a this 2, and this distance is a 48 millimeter, is this. Okay, and select this, and this angle is a 60-degree angle. Okay, this angle is a 60-degree angle, is perfect. 60-degree angle. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And this relation, this point, and this relation is a horizontal. Okay, okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and perfect. Okay, all is correct. And guys, this is a very useful. Okay, and this is a perfect 48 millimeter, and this is a 14 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this is a 35 millimeter, 47 millimeter. In all geometry is a, you can see here. Okay, all geometry is a 1 by 1 is a use here this. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and select this axis of revolution, and then this convert a 3D body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select this use select this face, sketch, normal, and reference line is a drawing here, this to this, and this line is a very important. And select this a pattern, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 112.5 millimeter, is this, and pattern is 6 pattern. Okay, and this distance is not mentioned here, but this distance is a 120 millimeter, this. Okay, and this is perfect and okay, this distance is mentioned here, this okay, but this apply a thread and then distance is a 120. Okay, and use a circle, drawing here this and this is a vertical line, and this distance is a this point to this is a 112.5 millimeter, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and use a X pattern, a circular pattern is perfect, and select this point and use this pattern, and pattern is a 6 pattern and equal spacing and 360-degree angle. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK, and again select going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and whole wizard is apply here, and select this face, sketch. Okay, not mentioned, but this is a normal. Okay, and this is a normal is perfect, and going to whole wizard. Whole wizard use this a state tab. State tab is perfect, and at first select this two hole. First and second two hole is a size is M24, and two size is a two hole each size is M12. Okay, and at first select this state tab, and standard is ISO, and type is a bottoming tapered hole. Perfect, and size is a M24. First is M24, and blind is this, and this is a okay, and perfect and correct mention here. Okay, this is perfect. Some important point discuss here. Okay, this use a 27 millimeter, and this use a 24 millimeter is perfect, and all is correct. First is use here this 27 millimeter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and size is M24, and okay, all is perfect, and going to position, and this is a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a reference line. Reference line is perfect drawing here, because this use a mid plane. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a mid plane. Okay, and all is perfect, and dimension is mentioned here. This is a 120 millimeter. Okay, 120 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this use a point and automatic. This is a okay, first point and second. Okay, and click OK. Okay, okay, this is a not thread is mentioned here, and again select going to this option, document properties and detailing, and this check here a shaded cosmetic thread, then automatic select this thread is showing here. Okay, this thread is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, and perfect, and again select going to this whole wizard, and this going to M12 size is a M12. Again select a state tab here, a standard is ISO, and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M12. M12 is a perfect. Okay, and this is a this is a perfect. Okay, this use of 15 and this use a 12. Okay, and this line is this 15 millimeter and this is a 12 millimeter, and also perfect. And going to this. Okay. Some important point. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a perfect and correct, and size is M12, and all is perfect. And going to option, and this select this and the normal. Okay, and going to a reference line, drawing here this to this, and this line, I press a control button and select this point, and this is a mid plane, and dimension is a 88 millimeter is perfect. This is a 88 millimeter is perfect. And going to this point, and both side is the first point and second point. Okay, and okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This thread is also this, and apply this brush. Okay, all is mentioned here this. Okay, all point is discussed here. All point is discussed here easily and clearly. And okay guys, this is a mention here 138 millimeter is this radius, and then 226 millimeter is diameter is same, and 22 millimeter, and this is a same here, and 6 millimeter is also same here, and this 138 millimeter, and this diameter is a 276 millimeter. This radius is 88 millimeter, this diameter is a 176 millimeter, and this 28 millimeter is radius, then diameter is a 56 millimeter is same. Okay, all is perfect. All dimension is you can see here. Okay, and isometric view is this. Okay, and back side is this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and guys, all point is discussed here one by one, all is correct. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, this is a very important lecture. This is a bridge of valve. Okay, and this body is this part is a bridge of valve, and this part is this body is drawing here, and this is a isometric view, and 3D drafting is also available here. And this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all dimension in millimeter. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this project is a very important, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this all body is assembled here easily and clearly. Okay, and let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed here, and this is a color, this material is a brush, and how to this body is easily and clearly. Okay, and back side is this, and also this thread is apply here. and thread is also very nice looking here. Okay, guys, this body is a perfect drawing, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important, and all dimension in a millimeter grams second. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a plain white. Okay, and going to option is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, help for this to the drafting. At first drawing this geometry, and this distance is 19 millimeter is radius, and this distance is 14 millimeter, and this distance is 28 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this red color 6 is a revolution. 6 this is a pitch, and this is a height and pitch, and height and revolution. This revolution is 6, this turn is 6, and this is a 50 millimeter height. This thread is used here. This 50 millimeter is this both side is a fillet is used here, and this length is a okay. At first drawing a plane is a better is a right plane. Okay, 2 line is a reference line is drawing here one by one, because this line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a relation is a coincident, and this is a horizontal, and this is a coincident and vertical, both is a perfect. Okay, and at first select a line is a this is a drawing this okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, and drawing this select this this geometry is a drawing here, and this curve is a drawing this, and select horizontal line, and this is a connect to this, and this is a very important. This geometry, this drawing simple drawing here, and align a dimension. At first drawing this distance is 19 millimeter is full length, and 14 millimeter is half this length. Okay, this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. This distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and okay, and also this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, all is a black, all is fully defined, then all is a black color means this is fully defined, and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a radius, this is a 14 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 28 millimeter, and 10 on 26, all is a perfect. Okay, all dimension is perfect, and going to this revolve boss base and select this axis, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. And again select this face, sketch, normal, and again select again drawing this body. Then this is this height is 120 millimeter, this is a 76 millimeter, and this is very important. This circle is drawing here 60 millimeter diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and this is a cutout is a this 34 millimeter is a this use a thread. Okay, and at first drawing a reference line, again select a both reference line is drawing here. Connect to this reference line is very important, and draw a circle is drawing here. This two circle is drawing here. First is a diameter is 60 millimeter, and second is a diameter is 24 millimeter. And connect a line is a tangent, and connect to this, and again select this line and mirror entities, and click a mirror about this, and and again select all, press a control button, and all is a select here one by one, and use a mirror entities, and going to this mirror about this, click OK, and align a dimension is this point to this point, distance is a 120. And this point to this point distance is a 76. This is a perfect. And this is a perfect and correct. All is a perfect. All is black color means this is a fully defined, and all is a this is a tangent line. All is correct. And this geometry is a perfect. This is a 120 millimeter and 76 millimeter, and this is a drawing a circle 60 millimeter is diameter and 24 millimeter diameter, and then use this 34 millimeter is last, use a thread, and going to this extrude cut and apply a extra portion is delete here. And select this and this. And through all extra portion is delete here, and this is a perfect. And again select a fillet, use here a 50 millimeter, and both edge is select here. And click this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a circle is this, and this diameter is a 34 millimeter. And this is exit, because apply a this is apply a helix and a spiral, and this is a perfect. And this is a use a height and revolution, and height and pitch. Height and pitch is also perfect. And this is a very important, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is a 6 millimeter. And direction is reverse, and this is a clockwise is perfect, and angle is 0 degree, and all is perfect, because this is a very important. Height and pitch is perfect, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and reverse direction is perfect, angle is 0 degree and clockwise, and click OK. Okay, and this is perfect, and again select a right plane, sketch normal. Okay, and use a corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle is drawing here, and this distance is a 3 millimeter is a length, and 3 millimeter is also height. Both is equal because this is a 3 millimeter is a length and height. Okay, and this point, press a control, select here and press a control button, and this use this line, select here and use a pierce. Okay, this is a black color, means this is also fully defined, and exit and use a sweep cut, and sweep cut is also select here, automatic select here this profile, and path is a select here this path. Okay, all is perfect, and all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a okay, this line is a hide, and this thread is also drawing here easily and clearly, and going to this material is apply here, and metal and brush is a polish brush is perfect. Okay, and also this is a select here and going to this aluminum, and okay, this is a perfect, but going to this select here and material is a okay, select here and going to this appearance, and this is a black color, means this is a perfect. Okay, also very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect, select body and appearance, going to this color and going to this. Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect, and isometric view. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, and all geometry and all line is a use here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a hand wheel, and also this is a handle design, and all dimension in millimeter, and all view is you can see here on the screen. Okay, and this is a isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and this is a right view, and this is a front view, and all geometry line, all geometry is you can see here on the screen easily. And this body is a stop wall project, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is separate design here, and last is this all is a assemble here. Okay, and today discuss here a very important lecture. This lecture is a very important for a beginner student, and this is a design a hand wheel and how to this body is designed. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this is isometric view, and this is a body is design, and this is cutout is very important, and also this is use of fillet. And okay, this is a very nice looking here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, some setting is very important, and going to this part, and part is this and plain white, and going to option and document properties and image quality. Image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, at first drawing this body, and use this is a top plane, and use again a front plane. Okay, at first select a top plane and sketch drawing a two reference line. A two line is a drawing here easily. Okay, two line is a drawing here. Center rectangle, corner rectangle is drawing here, and this is a drawing this, and this line and this point is a mid plane. Okay, and again select. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a this point, and this is also a coincident. Okay, all is perfect. And again select okay, dimension, and this dimension is this length is a okay, this 30 millimeter and 25 millimeter, and this distance between to this 125 millimeter, and this radius is drawing here diameter is 26. Okay, and at first select draw a circle, and this diameter is 26. Okay, and this length is 25 millimeter, and this width is 30 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance between 125 millimeter is this. Okay, all line is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect. This distance is length is 25 millimeter, and this is a okay, this is a perfect. This length is 25 millimeter and width is 30 millimeter, and this diameter, this circle diameter is 26 millimeter, and this distance between to 125 millimeter. Okay, all is correct. And going to revolve boss base and select this axis. Okay, drawing this, and okay, this is a drawing here a perfect. And again select a front plane and sketch normal. Okay, and select a corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is this drawing this. Okay, and at first drawing a center rectangle. Center rectangle is this, and this line, and press a control button, and this line and this line is a selector, and this use a make symmetric. Okay, and this is a distance is a Okay, this distance is a 30 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a 20 millimeter, but not so mentioned here. And this distance is a okay, this is a 20 millimeter is this. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a 20 millimeter, and use a extrude boss base, and this use a mid plane, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect. And again going to this circular pattern and select this, and pattern is 4, and this is a selector this. Okay, all is correct. And this equals for pattern equals spacing and 360 degree angle, and click OK. And again use a fillet, and fillet is a 5 millimeter, and all face is 1 by 1 is selected. Okay, and this is a back side is also all face is a 1 by 1 is selected. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This fillet is used here, and this is a 30 millimeter, and also this 30 millimeter. Okay, this is a 30 millimeter is better. And again select this, use this, and select 30 millimeter, click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And again select this fillet is used here. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and very nice looking here. Okay, okay, and this is a 30 millimeter is this, and 5 fillet is 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. And going to this, and okay, all is better. And okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and at first some reference line is drawing here, because this is a cutout is first. And again select a second this reference line, and this line is a vertical line. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and again select this center line and drawing this, and this is a this, and angle between this distance is a 45 degree. Okay, and select this 3 point center rectangle, and drawing this to this. Okay, and again select this 3 point center rectangle, this point to this. Okay, this is a 3 point center rectangle, and select this point and press a control button and select this line. Use a coincident. Okay, and this diameter is this length the 25 millimeter, and this is a also 25 millimeter is this. Okay, and 45-degree angle, and okay, this is a perfect, and all is fully defined and all is correct, and this is a perfect is correct, and this is a 25 millimeter, and also this is a 25 millimeter, and this angle is 45-degree. And use a extrude cut is apply here through all, and okay. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all is a perfect. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and going to material, apply material is this. Select a metal and painted, and painted is this. Red color is a also perfect and correct, and also isometric view. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is a perfect and correct. Okay, all geometry is okay, all geometry is use here. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. you.